I would like to give few suggestions of the academic avenues for the Muslim women in our times in regards to the university education. For example, gynecology, artificial intelligence, robotic engineering, dentistry, medical nursing field. Later, only to cater mainly female patients. Then we have counselor, we have child or clinical psychologist, we have psychiatrist. All the fields that I suggested are with an intention to allow us Muslim women Islamic conditions in the future if we want to do a job through this education. But still, I would recommend my listeners to consult an authentic scholar before you acquire education in any field. With this, I would like to conclude. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.